Today we are cooking a smoky glazed barbecue shrimp.
Tell me what you like about this dish.
Oh, I love the colors and I love the flavor. It's all about love. You gotta put your heart into it, and that's it. What we're doing today is we're gonna saute the shrimp. This technique gives it a softer texture and more flavor versus boiling and simmering. What I want to do first is make the smoky barbecue sauce. I'm gonna melt my butter. You don't want to overcook the butter, you just keep it nice and soft. Then I move into the paprika. Get in my hot sauce. So all you're doing right now is incorporating the ingredients. It's a nice, beautiful color. Finish with a touch of honey. Now you want it to become a little bit thick, but without the heat. Voila! This is a smoky barbecue sauce. The main thing I'm looking for in a shrimp is good quality and no additives. Now I'm gonna marinate my shrimp. A little bit of garlic, thyme, rosemary. Mix it in. I finish with a little bit of black pepper. A little bit of sea salt. We're gonna set the temp to 300, then we're gonna heat the pan before we put in the oil. What I'm looking for when I'm heating the oil is a slight bit of smoke and a little bit of sizzling sound. So now, let's start my shrimp. When it's time to flip, you see it start to become opaque, which means the heat is penetrating and it's cooking. Oh, voila. This is what you're looking for, okay? Beautiful. Flip it. Golden color, not burnt, but golden. A little bit like that. Once it starts to become opaque, then you know it's cooked. All right. What I'm gonna do now, tricky part. A little bit of lemon juice. Voila. Oh, you look at that, that's beautiful, okay? Then, we'll add my tomatoes. A little bit of tomatoes. Touch of butter. And maybe I give it a touch of honey. This is straight with the flavor. All right, and that's it. Now I'm gonna plate the dish, and I'm gonna start by adding the sauce. Just enough to coat the bottom of the plate, and then we start swirling it around. Yes. That's it. So now I'm making an arugula salad. Tomato, cucumber, olive oil, toss. Now it goes right in, not too much, all right? Just a little bit of this. Then I'm gonna add, these are the baby tomatoes, nice and caramelized. Now I'm gonna add the shrimp, about 5 to 6 pieces each. Around. Get a little bit on top, a little bit more of this on top. And voila, that's your dish.